Unveiling the Charm, the bee's knees. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that's as quirky as it is endearing, the bee's knees. This phrase captures the imagination and carries a charm that has intrigued English speakers for decades. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to add flair to your English conversations. The phrase, the bee's knees, is a whimsical way of expressing that something or someone is exceptionally good, outstanding, or of high quality. It's akin to saying something is the best of the best, the height of excellence. Despite its literal imagery suggesting a bee's legs, the phrase has nothing to do with bees or their knees but is purely metaphorical, highlighting something as superb or impressive. The origins of the bee's knees are as colorful as the expression itself. It gained popularity in the 1920s, a period known for its inventive slang. The phrase is part of a trend where animal anatomy was used to coin expressions that denote excellence or perfection, such as the cat's whiskers or the cat's pajamas. While the exact reason why the bee's knees was chosen remains a mystery, it's believed to reflect the era's fascination with novelty and the charm of playful, imaginative language. Incorporating the bee's knees into your English can add a touch of vintage charm and playfulness. It's perfect for informal settings and can be used both as a compliment and to express enthusiasm about something. For example, this new coffee shop is the bee's knees. Their latte is the best I've ever had. You have to see her dance, she's really the bee's knees on the dance floor. Remember, while the phrase is delightful, it's best suited for casual conversations and might be too whimsical for formal contexts. And there you have it, a journey through the whimsical world of the bee's knees. This charming phrase not only enriches your English vocabulary but also connects you to a bygone era of linguistic creativity. We hope you find occasions to sprinkle this expression into your conversations, adding a dash of vintage flair. Thank you for joining us, and remember, learning English is not just about mastering grammar but also about embracing the beauty and fun of the language. See you in the next video.